My name is Grace.
What about you?
Sammy.
Emily.
Yeah. Do you know Eritrea?
No.
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 What do you think Eritrea is?
I have no clue.
Something. Something like that's an event. Like an event thing.
You said what?
Like an event. Like,
An event?
Oh, I don't know. Can I have a hint?
Can you? What do you think?
Maybe like I don't know, a restaurant.
ሕጂ ኣብ ከተማ ዳላስ ኣብ USA ኢና ዘለና ቅድሚ ሕጂ ኣብ ናይ ላንደን ኤርትራ ኣበይ እትርከብ ተባሂላ ተሓይታ ነይራ ሰሚዕና ኣለና ሕጂ ኸ ኣብ USA ኸ ኤርትራ ኣበይ ትርከብ ወይ ፈልጥዋ ዶ ወይ ዝኾነ ስማስ ይፈልጥዋ ዶ እስከ ሓቶም ኢና ናብኡ ክሕልፈኩም እየ Do you know Eritrea? Have you ever heard Eritrea?
no, I haven't.
What do you think Eritrea is?
A band?
What is that?
A band, maybe? A band?
Okay.
Something having to do with music.
Eritrea?
No.
Do you know Eritrea?
I don't think so.
What do you think it is?
I guess like a group of people or a person or something.
What about you? What do you think? What do you think it is?
A drink.
A drink?
Yeah.
Kevin.
Do you know Eritrea is?
No, I'm not.
What do you think Eritrea is?
Is that a YouTuber?
Do you know Eritrea?
No, no.
What do you think Eritrea is?
No, like, is he a YouTuber? An African YouTuber?
Appreciate you.
Who is he?
Tell me your name first.
It's Camille.
Yeah. So, do you know Eritrea?
What is it? Sorry?
Eritrea.
Eritrea?
Yes, Eritrea. Have you ever heard Eritrea?
No.
What do you think Eritrea is?
That sounds like a chocolate or a startup.
Say it again.
It sounds like a chocolate or a startup.
You find it.
If it's chocolate, I'm guessing in the store. If it's a startup company, in an incubator or someone's garage.
What's your name?
Andre,
Okay. What's your name? What's your name?
Rico, Suave.
Do you know Eritrea?
Yeah,
What is it?
it's a food, ain't it?
It's a food.
A food, yeah.
What about you? Do you know Eritrea?
It's my third cousin. Yeah. Third.
Okay. What? Do you know Eritrea?
Shit, that's my uncle on my auntie side. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, that's my uncle. You know what I'm saying? He gonna hold it down, keep him 1,000. You know what I'm saying?
So what do you think it is?
Like, ain't it a kind of chip? You could just dip it. Chips, chip and dip.
Oh, okay. Can you give me some? What do you think Eritrea is?
My third cousin from the south side, 44.
What about you? What about
See,
you?
you know my uncle, he get on that bird stuff, he get the dash, you know what I'm saying? But he gonna keep it on that level to experience. You know what I'm saying? You know we gonna break it down, we gonna keep it all the way playing for him.
Katie, okay. So do you know Eritrea?
No,
What do you think Eritrea is?
I don't know. Is it a food?
What do you think Eritrea is?
I have no idea. I don't know.
Jonathan.
Ezekiel.
Do you know Eritrea?
Who?
Eritrea.
No,
No,
What do you think Eritrea is?
I don't know.
I have no idea.
What can you imagine?
I don't know. Probably a bomb or something. I don't know.
Barbershop?
Yeah, sure.
What about?
Probably like a car or something. I don't know.
Say it again.
Probably like a car or something.
Marie.
Okay. Do you know Eritrea?
Eritrea? Yeah.
What is it?
A country
Where in Africa?
next to Ethiopia, East Africa.
Oh, how do you know it?
I know Eritreans.
Yeah, you know you have friends from Eritrea.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So do you know Africa is one country or a big? How do you?
It's a continent.
Do you know Eritrea?
Who?
Eritrea.
No,
What do you think Eritrea is?
I have no idea. Is it a country or something?
You're right. Where is it?
I have no idea.
How do you know it is a country? How do you know?
Uh, the way it sounds.
Let me hold the mic real quick. Hey, shout out to my niggas, Drew Money right here. Trey gonna, Rico Reckless, yeah, you already know.
So Eritrea is a country, okay? It's a country. It's in East Africa.
Country, man.
Country in East Africa.
You know
God
what I'm saying?
damn it.
A country in East Africa. Get big, man.
Angel.
Okay, what's your name?
Maricela.
Do you know Eritrea?
Ultra?
Eritrea.
No.
What about you?
No.
Eritrea. Do you know Eritrea?
No.
What do you think Eritrea is?
I don't know. I just think about like since Eritrea, it sounds like electric.
What about you?
For me, it sounds like a name.
It's a name. Oh, so what kind of name do you think?
I don't know.
Okay. What about you? Have you ever heard Eritrea or anything?
¿Has tenido Eritrea o algo?
Si es como una marca.
It's like a design, it's like Chanel or anything like that.
What's that?
Like a mark. A mark, like
Like-
from.
Or market?
Like a mark. from
Like
a
Gucci, Gap, or
My name is Emily.
Okay, Emily. Do you know Eritrea?
Eritrea? No,
Yes.
I don't know.
What do you think Eritrea is?
I have no idea.
Just any guess or anything.
mm, I don't know. Do you have a hint?
Is it a food or a place or it's an airport or a country or what do you think?
Maybe food?
Everybody just subscribe. I don't know what they got going, man. Just hey, tee up. You know what I'm saying?
Get that bag, man. You heard me for real, man. Oh yeah, go look out to him, my boy. What's your name right here?
Emmanuel.
Armando. What's your name? Armando,
man.
Aldo. Yeah.
Aldo,
RUFTA TV.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey, Rooftop TV got the gas.
Yeah, the
Hey,
gas.
hey, got the gas for your ass, buddy.
That monkey line.